Welcome to Dear Parents. In today's episode, we'll be exploring how artificial intelligence can be part of our everyday life. AI can help generate fan captions and posts for social media using tools like Canva and ChatGPT. It can also organize school schedule with apps like My Study Life, ensuring kids balance homework activities and free time. AI-powered tutors such as Khan Academy and Duolingo assist with tough subjects, providing explanation and guidance. Finally, smart home security systems like Ring and Nest use AI to detect unusual activities in your homes, keeping your family safe. There's a lot more you can do with AI, so I encourage you to keep exploring and learning. Thanks for tuning in to Dear Parents.